Skyland Bend at the beach. Ooh. Ooh, the water wash it up. Skylar, what are you doing? Don't go for the dam. You're gonna lose your track and band all at the same time. Whoa! No good. I got all wet. See you later.